Hello everyone. Warm take, this Needo squishy trend is getting out of hand.
But Hugo, Needo and Squishes were made for fun, and it's just a toy?
Let me stop you right there. Needos were created as sensory toys to provide anxiety relief for kids and adults. And these influencers are buying like 20 a day, any chance they get. See, overconsumption. I doubt they have that much stress to have 1 million Needos. Anyways, have a great day or...
But Hugo!
No buts. Anyways, have a good day or night.